Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your outfits that you saved using the adjustments tool feature is not where it's supposed to be placed. So for instance, I'm going to change into the angel and devil one, for instance, and one of the items are not placed properly, or it's like lagging somewhere else. Maybe I'll do the Ariana Grande one because it always lags. Okay, well, I did click on it a bunch of times. So to basically fix it, you're just going to let it load, or if it still doesn't work, you're just going to click on it again, and the accessory adjustment feature should be fine. Like, it should be where it's supposed to be placed. So just select it again if something is out of place. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. As you can see on this one, it's out of place, so I'm just going to select that again, and now it's in place. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!